Well, in high school, I was always very good in history and geography. And I remember when I was 16 or something, asking the history teacher why we only got history of like Europe and America, but not very much of the rest of the world. And yeah, I really wonder what about all the rest? It's nothing to tell. I think there is a lot to tell. I remember this year um, I was writing with an 82-year-old professor of physics, and he explained me that when Einstein started his relativity theory in his cosmology, so about the universe, in 1916, he still started with a statical universe, not one that evolves, but a statical, which remains the same forever. And so then he said, yeah, humanity, while the universe is evolving in the last 14 billion years, humanity only realizes that it is evolution in the last 100 years. And then I was immediately thinking, but I didn't tell the professor yet. Maybe I need to write him back about it. Oh yeah, I was in Saint-Tropez recently, and there was an exposition of Aboriginal art. And I asked the woman there who was doing the exposition, how do the Aboriginals think about the universe, the cosmos, the place where they live? And she explained me that so actually they believe that there are creatures, not human, not animal, but half human, half animal, that come out of the ground and shape mountains, rivers, lakes, rocks. They shape everything we see. And so they do this not in the past, they are still doing that today. So it is a permanent evolution. And there you are, the professor in Europe, claiming that humanity didn't know the Earth was changing, evolving, while the Aboriginals probably maybe 50,000 years ago already knew, because they were already telling each other this story of evolution, of course by the half man, half human, half animal creatures who shaped the Earth. Yeah, I mean, they got it more right than a lot of scientists, even Einstein. Let's be honest. So the Aboriginals had a better understanding of our planet Earth than Einstein when he started his cosmology. I find that very funny. Yeah, so but I know so little about so many places. I have traveled quite a lot, but yeah, to understand everything in the world, it's such a big place to discover everything. And but I don't mind. I know already more than enough. Yeah, it's no problem.